The future is now, innovate or fade. In a world where technology evolves at lightning speed, standing still is not an option. Every day, new innovations are reshaping the way we live, work, and connect. The question is, are you ready to keep up? Business is changing faster than ever. The pace of change is relentless, and those who fail to adapt will be left behind. It's not just about keeping up, it's about staying ahead. The businesses that thrive are the ones that anticipate change and act on it. To win in 2025, you gotta be different. You gotta be adaptable. No more old school thinking. Innovation is the key to survival. It's about fostering a culture of creativity and encouraging your team to think outside the box. It's about being agile and ready to pivot when necessary. The future belongs to the bold, those who dare to take risks and challenge the status quo. It's about having the courage to pursue new ideas and the resilience to overcome obstacles. Boldness is not just about big moves, it's about making smart, calculated decisions that drive progress. Those who embrace new ideas. Innovation doesn't happen in isolation. It requires collaboration and a willingness to learn from others. It's about creating an environment where new ideas can flourish and where every team member feels empowered to contribute. Those who aren't afraid to experiment. Experimentation is the heart of innovation. It's about testing new concepts, learning from failures, and iterating until you find what works. It's about being open to change and willing to take calculated risks. That's how you grow a business in this landscape. Growth comes from continuous improvement and a relentless focus on innovation. It's about setting ambitious goals and working tirelessly to achieve them. It's about celebrating successes and learning from setbacks. Forget the way things used to be. The old rules no longer apply. In this new era, flexibility and adaptability are crucial. It's about letting go of outdated practices and embracing new ways of thinking. It's about being willing to disrupt your own business before someone else does. The only constant is change. Change is inevitable, and it's happening faster than ever. It's about being proactive and anticipating what's next. It's about staying informed and being ready to adapt at a moment's notice. Embrace change as an opportunity for growth and innovation. Embrace it, love it. Change is not something to fear, it's something to welcome. It's about seeing change as a chance to innovate and improve. It's about having a positive mindset and being excited about the possibilities that change brings. Use it to your advantage. Leverage the power of change to drive your business forward. Use new technologies and innovative strategies to stay ahead of the competition. Embrace the future with confidence and turn challenges into opportunities. Tech is your friend. Use it. Technology is evolving at warp speed, faster than ever before. AI, the metaverse, blockchain, they're not just buzzwords, they're powerful tools. Use them. Imagine automating your customer service with AI technology, or creating immersive experiences in the metaverse for your customers. Blockchain can revolutionize your entire supply chain. Don't be intimidated by these advanced technologies. There are resources available to help you learn and implement. Get started today. Know your customer. They're changing fast. Consumer behavior is shifting rapidly, almost daily. They're online, they're mobile, they're demanding personalized experiences. Understand them. What are their values and beliefs? What are their pain points and frustrations? Answer these questions, and you'll unlock the keys to their hearts and wallets. Data is your friend. Use analytics to track their behavior, their preferences. The more you know, the better you can serve them effectively. Section 4, Build to Last. Scalability matters. Your business model needs to be agile. In today's fast-paced world, the ability to pivot and adapt is crucial. Companies that can quickly respond to market changes and customer needs are the ones that thrive. It needs to be able to grow and adapt to changing market conditions. Scalability is key. This means not only being able to handle increased demand, but also being prepared for unexpected challenges. Think big, but start small. Test your ideas, iterate quickly. The most successful businesses often start with a simple concept and refine it over time. Don't be afraid to pivot if something isn't working. Flexibility is a strength, not a weakness. Embrace change and use it to your advantage. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Great things take time, effort, and persistence, but they were laying bricks every single day. Consistent effort, no matter how small, leads to monumental achievements over time. Consistency and adaptability will win in the long run. Stay committed to your vision, but be ready to adjust your tactics as needed. This is the essence of building something that lasts. Section 5. Go do it. The time is now. The future is unwritten. Every moment you hesitate, you lose an opportunity to shape your destiny. The world is moving fast, and those who take action are the ones who will thrive. You have the power to shape it. Don't wait for permission. The only approval you need is your own. Look in the mirror and see the potential within you. Break free from the chains of doubt and fear. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start now. Take that first step. Build that website. Draft that business plan. The tools are at your fingertips, and the resources are more accessible than ever before. Talk to your first customer. Listen to their needs and refine your approach. Every interaction is a learning experience that brings you closer to success. The momentum will build from there. Believe in yourself. Celebrate every small win, for they are the building blocks of your larger success. Each step forward is progress. The world needs your ideas. It needs your passion. It needs your hustle. Collaborate with others. Share your vision, and work tirelessly to bring it to life. Your dedication will inspire those around you. Go out there and make it happen. The time is now. The future is yours to create. Embrace the journey, and let your determination light the way.